Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and where am I at? Well, guess what? I'm in Texas. That's right, I'm at the Keystone Big Show, and what do we have here? Well, we have one of the newest products from Back Industries. This is the new MX4 with the T-slot, so it's a MX4 T4, I think it is. I'm not sure what it is, but guess what I'm doing? I'm ordering every single one of every single truck to have at my store. That's right. This is going to be coming, staying at my store. Let me show you how great this is. Now, as you know, I got a lot of videos with the regular MX4. What is the difference on this one? Well, the main difference here, if you look over here, this is going to have a built-in T-slot with this. Now, as you know, we have done T-slots added onto it, but this is going to be built in. As you can see, this is all one piece here, so that you can put the racks on. Once you have a T-slot, you can add all kinds of racks. Now this one, as you know, I have it on my personal truck right now, and as you see, it works really good here. Let's go ahead and open this all up here. You reach in there, as you can see, you have a left and right release mechanism. Now what's nice about this, unlike a lot of trifolds that only have a two-fold, this is, let me reach in here, you ready for it? Drum roll, please. It's a three-fold. That's right. You got full access to the bed here. You can drive down the highway with this. Basically, you just lock these in place. No problem whatsoever. As you can see, it's really easy to use. Awesome. Take a good look up top there. The camera is not being covered by the tonneau cover. That's right. Your camera, you can still, your third brake light and the camera is not being covered by this. Also, if you're going to go to Bike Week, which I go to all the time, and you want to put your Harley Davidson in the back of your truck, well, this will roll right in here because, again, you got full access to the bed here. Now, if you look in the bed, there's a few other things in here. This is the Husky TPO material here, and I tell you, this stuff is great as well. I had this in my personal truck. I like it a lot. Of course, I have these racks. Now, these racks are adjustable. There are 3 sets of adjustments. You got an 18 inches, your lower setting. You got your middle setting, and then goes all the way up to 28 inches. Now, the weight capacity on this is 750 pounds static weight. What does that mean? Static weight means it's parked. You want to put that tent on, you're doing a little camping, you say, you know what, let's put the tent on here, 750 pounds, hey, that's 3 adults you can hold up there, or 2 people and a big dog. Now, these can come down. Now, when you're driving on the road, that static weight drops to 500 pounds. If you're off-roading, the weight drops down to 250. But either way, that's a lot of weight. Now, I like this cover. As you know, I've been selling Back Industries going on 2 decades. I like their product. Comes with a nice 5-year manufacturer warranty. Has a 400 weight capacity on this. And if you look here, I like the texture finish on here. Gonna be super strong, real scratch resistant. Low profile, it sits in the truck here, nice and clean looking. All in all, this is a great product. Now, like I said, I'm at the show. I'll be probably getting these in the next 30 days. So if you want to take one and place on an order, we can take your orders now. We'll have these really soon. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm in Texas. That's right. That's why I'm wearing the hat. And I'm doing a review of the new MX4 by Back Industries with the built-in T-slots. And by the way, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with brand new products just like this. Thank you.